Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to make a running light with Arduino. Okay, let's start. First we want Arduino board, and 8 lights, and breadboard. Okay, now start. First we connect jump wires to pin 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And connect light plus to jump wires like this. And it connect breadboard like this. Then now connect light negative to ground in Arduino. Now connect Arduino board to PC. And upload code to Arduino. Code in first comment. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe my channel for see more video like this.